Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com. It is Saturday. I'm here at the Sanctum at the outlet for the weekly South OC Cars and Coffee. Come on, let's go check it out.
It broke now.
All the cars are coming in now. Basically, we're about 10 minutes before the show officially starts. So I got here early enough to see the cars line up. Oh, by the way, this is Robert, the official photographer of South OC Cars and Coffee. Him and Jay, they take all the photos you see for the show. I see the merchandise tent is back. So if you're looking for merchandise, there you go. I heard they got some new t-shirts that are really cool. Yeah, I see this sale waving, and look, check it out. That's a new t-shirt. Nice design. All right, let's check out all the cars. Let's start at Supercar Row here. So this is Simon's Camaro. He's the founder of the show. He also runs the Bracketeer. This is his son James's Audi R8. And that's the Audi R8 of Next Level Detail. If you're looking to get your car detail and shine, check these guys out. And check it out. Here we have a Ferrari F40. Whoa, yes, an F40. This is probably the most analog sports car you can buy. The F40 was the second of the special Ferraris. They're usually made every 10 years. The last one was the La Ferrari. This was the F40, celebrating Ferrari's 40th anniversary. And what's unique about the F40 is that, well, it's what it doesn't have. It doesn't have power windows, doesn't have power door locks, it doesn't have power mirrors.
Doesn't have electric assist.
It doesn't have power steering.
It's organic. It's the way God intended supercars to be. This is the ultimate supercar. No driver assist stuff. It's all about a raw connection between man and wheels. Love that car. One of my favorite cars of all time.
So there you go, like I said.
Next to the computer.
Yeah, like Simon said, this car has no power, nothing. The only thing that does have power is, of course, the engine. And this is the engine right here. Twin turbo V8. Makes about 478 horsepower, which by today's standard really isn't that much. But back when this car was made, it was a lot of power. Yeah.
Hey, I think you gotta get one of these hats.
Of course, it's got the Montana plates. Yeah, so let's check out the interior. So there you go. Like I said, no power steering. Hand crank for the window right there. No power windows. Normal shifter. Nope, not even power brakes on this thing. I mean, like I said, this was a pure analog car. And it was made in a time when you required a passive safety belt. That's one thing it does have.
Oh, you weren't gonna wear it?
Yeah, so if you're looking for a pure, raw, emotional experience, I guess, this would be the ultimate Ferrari. Value, when it first came out, I believe Ferrari sold these things for about $300,000. And today, well, they're worth in the millions, so there you go. And this is next to the newest Ferrari. This is an F8 Tributo, so I guess you could see the generations here. Generational span between the old and the new. You can see, clearly they're both Ferraris, you can tell by just looking at it, but let's check out the new one. So the new one has power, everything. Power windows, power door locks, power brakes, power mirrors, you name it, it's got it. And also, it has a twin turbo V8, just like the F40, but this V8 makes almost 700 horsepower, so it's a lot faster, a lot more powerful. So, new and old. Which one would you drive if given the choice? Yeah, a pure raw experience or a more refined adult style, I suppose. All right, so there you go. Two generations of Ferrari. Continuing right along, we have the Shippy Racing Aventador. Yeah, SVJ also, Aventador SVJ. Here we have Huracan. And we have another Huracan with aliens and women. Okay. Makes me kind of think the driver's an alien looking to abduct females. 458 Italia, the last natural aspirated V8 Ferrari. GTR. And the cause of share. This is a three-wheeler, and you can rent this. It's available for rent. So if you're looking to rent a cool car to drive for the weekend, there you go. And here's another one. Oh, the new Mercedes S-Class. Nice. Let's take a look at that. Interesting looking wheels on this one. Yeah, big wheels too. And nice interior with his own little pillow. I like that. And oh yeah, there's a new crazy interior with all the iPads. Yeah, unlike the F40, this has power everything. Yeah, even a power inside rear view mirror, because you know Mercedes owners are that lazy. Continue right along, a couple of reserved spots for Supercar that will show up in a little bit. And check out the wing on this 600 LT. Woo-wee. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. 650, also with a big wing and lots of mods on this one. Nice Audi here. GT4, Spider. Huracan Performante Spider. Another Huracan Performante Spider. Black and white. Black and white. Another GT4, a coupe, and two identical GT4s. Yeah, I guess this is his and hers. Ferrari Pista with BBS wheels. Nice white with the Italian stripe. A purple, a flying purple people eater. McLaren, Lamborghini, F430. Another Pista. GT3. Nice C8 Corvette. Another Lamborghini Huracan Performante. And a 570S convertible. This will give you a good comparison of the size of that Rolls Royce. Here it is next to a Volkswagen, and oh god, this thing is huge. That's big. And I look at this. Look at this. Woo! Shiny. Ferrari Pista coming in. Oh, check out this convertible. This is the very definition of a land yacht. I believe it's a Ford Fairline. Yeah, and it's a hard top convertible, and it's for sale. So let's check it out. Yeah, it's a 1959 Ford retractable complete restoration. 61,000 miles, asking $39,000. So, yeah. Wow, look at that. Bench seats in the back, bench seats in the front, 3 on the tree, remember that? Yeah. Wow. Look at that. Oh yeah, it's a Skyliner. Okay, so Skyliner. A Fairline Skyliner 500. White wall tires. Yeah, this is classic. Look at that instrument panel. I never 120 miles an hour top speed. Of course, they can't really do that, but anyway, if you're looking for a classic land yacht, this one's for sale. check this out. It's a colorway 757 Corvette. So you take the regular Corvette Grand Sport in this case, and this owner slapped a colorway 757. So it's got a nice big hole in the hood because the supercharger sticks out above the hood. Yeah, and he also got the cold air front package as well. Get more air into the intercoolers. And those are the things wrapped in a green color as well. Pretty cool. Vintage Ford Mustang from the 1960s with a new Mustang motor. So I guess something happened to the original motor and the owner decided, yeah, why not put a new one in there? I mean, the steering knuckle barely clears the headers. Wow.
Got it last month.
Nice. So this is the Taycan Cross Turismo, and basically it's electric version of the regular Taycan. Only it's a station wagon, so it looks kind of cool. Porsche Club of North America, very nice. He tinted all the windows. Yeah, so if you're looking for a more practical Taycan, yeah, this is pretty cool. So you got the STI big wing, and then you got another STI saying, I could do better than you. More fins. Check out what's parking. An original Hummer. Yeah, the symbol of environmental waste. Of course, you know, the new Hummer is electric now, so it's no longer a symbol of environmental waste. It's a symbol of tree-hugging greenies. Now there's something you don't see every day. I believe that's an Avanti. Yeah.
Yeah, at work.
Yeah, an Avanti four-door. Honda S2000 Club. Nissan 370 Club. McLaren 720S. Huracan. The new 992 GT3. Ooh, an Audi wagon, complete with ski rack, lower and big HRE wheels. Nice. Another 720, matte black paint, an F8 Tributo, an F8 Tributo Spider, Audi R8 with a neat wrap, and a front plate, something extremely rare at South OC Cars and Coffee. 911 Turbo, another R8, Lamborghini. Basically, Lamborghini, McLarens, and Porsches here.
Jamie's family friends are selling there.
And motorcycles are welcome at South OC Cars and Coffee. So, but it's just cars and coffee, even though we have motorcycles as well. So this is South OC Cars and Coffee. Happens every Saturday from 9 to 11. If you're a car enthusiast, this is where you want to be on a Saturday morning. Enjoy a cup of coffee, take a walk around, get some exercise, and check out some really cool cars. John Chow from johnside.com. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed that, give me a thumbs up. Please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.